Creating a sanctuary at home where we can relax and rejuvenate is more important than ever. One of the best ways to foster a healthier home environment is by incorporating indoor plants. Not only do they add aesthetic appeal and a touch of nature to our living spaces, but they also offer numerous health benefits. From improving air quality to boosting mood and productivity, indoor plants are a must-have for any health-conscious homeowner. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore 7 essential indoor plants that can transform your home into a healthier, happier place. Aloe vera, the healing plant. Aloe vera is often referred to as the miracle plant due to its wide range of medicinal and health benefits. This succulent plant is easy to care for and can thrive in a variety of indoor conditions. Here's why aloe vera should be a staple in your home. Health benefits. Air purification. Aloe vera is known for its air-purifying properties. It can help remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, making it cleaner and safer to breathe. Healing properties. The gel inside aloe vera leaves is well known for its healing properties. It can be used to treat minor cuts, burns, and skin irritations, making it a handy plant to have in the kitchen or bathroom. Improve skin health. Regular use of aloe vera gel can improve skin hydration, reduce inflammation, and promote wound healing. Care tips. Light. Aloe vera prefers bright, indirect sunlight. A sunny windowsill is an ideal spot. Water. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix, such as a cactus or succulent mix. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, the air-purifying powerhouse. The snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is a popular choice for indoor gardening due to its striking appearance and low maintenance needs. It's also one of the best plants for improving indoor air quality. Health benefits. Air purification. Snake plants are incredibly efficient at filtering out toxins like formaldehyde, xylene, toluene, and nitrogen oxides from the air. They release oxygen at night, making them an excellent choice for bedrooms. Improves respiratory health. By improving air quality, snake plants can help reduce the risk of respiratory issues and allergies. Care tips. Light. Snake plants can tolerate a wide range of light conditions, from low light to bright, indirect light. Water. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. They are drought tolerant and can survive periods of neglect. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Peace lily. Spathiphyllum, the elegant purifier. Peace lilies are not only beautiful with their glossy green leaves and white blooms, but they are also powerful air purifiers. They are an excellent choice for adding a touch of elegance and tranquility to your home. Health benefits. Air purification. Peace lilies can effectively remove common indoor pollutants like ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Their ability to improve air quality makes them ideal for living rooms and bedrooms. Humidity regulation. Peace lilies can increase humidity levels by releasing moisture into the air. This can help alleviate dry skin and respiratory problems caused by dry indoor air. Care tips. Light. Peace lilies prefer low to moderate light conditions. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch their leaves. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Peace lilies are sensitive to overwatering. Soil. Use a well-draining, all-purpose potting mix. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, the resilient cleaner. Spider plants are known for their unique arching leaves and small plantlets that dangle like spiders on a web. They are incredibly resilient and easy to grow, making them perfect for beginners. Health benefits. Air purification. Spider plants are excellent at removing airborne toxins such as formaldehyde and xylene. They can help improve indoor air quality and create a healthier living environment. Non-toxic. Spider plants are non-toxic to pets, making them a safe choice for households with cats and dogs. Care tips. Light. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light, but can tolerate low light conditions. Water. Water regularly, keeping the soil slightly moist. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. Spider plants do well in hanging baskets or pots with drainage holes. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata, the natural humidifier. Boston ferns are lush, feathery plants that add a touch of greenery to any room. They are particularly beneficial for increasing humidity levels and improving air quality. Health benefits. Air purification. Boston ferns are effective at removing pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. They can help create a cleaner, healthier indoor environment. Humidity regulation. Boston ferns release moisture into the air, which can help alleviate dry skin, respiratory issues, and static electricity caused by dry indoor air. Care tips. Light. Boston ferns prefer bright, indirect light. They can tolerate some shade, but may become leggy in low-light conditions. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Boston ferns require high humidity, so mist the leaves regularly or place a humidifier nearby. Soil. Use a rich, well-draining potting mix. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. The bold statement. Rubber plants are known for their large, glossy leaves and robust growth. They are not only striking in appearance, but also beneficial for improving indoor air quality. Health benefits. Air purification. Rubber plants can effectively remove toxins like formaldehyde from the air. Their large leaves also help increase oxygen levels indoors. Stress reduction. The presence of rubber plants can create a calming atmosphere, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Care tips. Light. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect light. They can tolerate some direct sunlight, but avoid prolonged exposure to harsh sunlight. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist during the growing season, but allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Reduce watering in the winter. Soil. Use a well-draining, all-purpose potting mix. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Lavender, lavandula, the fragrant stress reliever. Lavender is renowned for its soothing fragrance and beautiful purple flowers. While it is commonly grown outdoors, it can also thrive indoors with the right care. Health benefits. Aromatherapy. Lavender's fragrance is known for its calming and stress-relieving properties. It can help reduce anxiety, promote better sleep, and create a peaceful atmosphere. Air purification. Lavender can help improve air quality by reducing pollutants and allergens in the air. Care tips. Light. Lavender requires bright, direct sunlight for at least 6-8 hours a day. A sunny windowsill is an ideal spot. Water. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Lavender prefers slightly dry conditions and is drought-tolerant. Soil. Use a well-draining, sandy potting mix. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Conclusion. Incorporating indoor plants into your home is a simple yet effective way to create a healthier and more inviting living environment. From purifying the air to reducing stress and improving overall well-being, these 7 must-have indoor plants offer a range of benefits that can enhance your quality of life. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a beginner, there's an indoor plant on this list that's perfect for you. So, why not bring a touch of nature indoors and enjoy the many health benefits that these beautiful plants have to offer? Remember, the key to successfully growing indoor plants is understanding their specific care needs and providing the right conditions. With a little love and attention, these plants can thrive and bring beauty, tranquility, and improved health to your home. Happy planting! If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.